Tired of hiding your amazing deals and losing potential sales because customers can't find your coupon codes? Let's fix that. I'm going to show you how to prominently display coupon codes on your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Online Store. This will open up a new menu of options. Next, select Themes. This is where you'll customize the look and feel of your storefront. Find the theme you are currently using and click on the Customize button. This opens the theme editor. At the top center of the screen, there's a drop-down menu that most likely says Home Page. Click this menu and select the page type where you want to display your coupon code, for example, products, collections, or even the home page itself. Now, in the left-hand sidebar, look for the Sections tab, then click the Add Section button. A menu will appear with different section options. Select the section that best suits your needs, such as a text section, an image with text section, or even a custom content section if you want more flexibility. Now add your coupon code and any relevant terms and conditions. Make sure the text is clear, concise, and visually appealing. Use a font size and color that stands out. Finally, check the section's visibility settings. Make sure it's visible on all the devices you want it to be, like desktop and mobile. And that's it. Now your customers can easily see and use your coupon codes, boosting your sales and improving their shopping experience. Go at those sales.